Hello everybody, welcome to Ahmed and Behnaz's Travels channel. In this video we're gonna go to Chahkuh Gorge or Chahkuh Valley, which is one of the natural attractions of Qeshm Island in Hormozgan province in Iran. Chahkuh means a mountain where there are water wells. Chahkuh is a valley with a depth of 100 meters, which is a representation of the erosion of sedimentary rocks, which initially changed its shape due to the earth movements and went out of the horizontal state. And internal pressures and tension caused seams and fractures, as well as holes for the movement of surface water caused by rainfall. This gorge is located at a distance of 70 kilometers from Qeshm city and next to the East Chahkuh village, Shahab area. This gorge is considered one of the 7 wonders of Qeshm Island and is known as the Holy Gorge. One of the reasons is that the ancients considered the water collected in this valley to be holy and healing. Chahkuh Gorge is located in the heart of a mountain of monolithic rock cut in the shape of a cross. The entrance of the north-south gorge is wider and less steep from the north side and is almost U-shaped. As we go further south, the gorge becomes narrower and steeper and finally becomes V-shaped and difficult to pass. Chahkuh is a part of Qeshm Geopark, which has been approved by UNESCO. Similar to this geological phenomenon exists in Germany, England, China, the United States of America, and several other countries. At the entrance of this gorge, there is a statue known as the Three-Headed Guardian, and according to the ancients, it is the guardian of the water of this gorge. The beautiful sculptures created by erosion will surprise you. Chahkuh rocks have lime or calcium bicarbonate, and the material of the walls is often made of loose calcareous sandstone and interlayers of marl, silt, and lime, which the acid of the rainwater has caused to dissolve them and create cracks and small holes between them. These holes have become larger and become corridors over the course of several million years. The existence of grooves and parallel erosion lines, holes and niches in the walls of the gorge, the presence of stone streams in the bottom of the gorge, statues and hundreds of holes and bowls that have appeared from the attack of the wind, heavy rains, and the hot sun will surprise you. In the very beginning of the gorge, there are 4 man-made wells that were originally natural holes and were later deepened by human. And canals are dug to guide the water, so that the fresh water is directed through them and stored in the wells. These ancient wells have given this area a much greater effect, and perhaps that is why this beautiful gorge was named Chahkuh. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Also, if you're planning to visit this amazing gorge, please leave us a comment below this video. We will be happy to guide you.